So this is a setup which I will attempt my second attempt at SMD soldering. Yeah, my iPad in a sturdy stand, and of all things, a telephoto lens. 3 times telephoto. Yeah, review card link. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I was not happy with my first SMD soldering, and so I decided to redo it. Link and card for my first attempt on the top. Oh, yeah, this is molten. And I'm now using also a completely different setup, a very interesting setup. I will, oops, sorry, show you in the end of the video. For now, just let's clean up these pads. That looks nasty. Just because one guy on YouTube drenches everything. Oh. Just because one guy on YouTube drenches everything in flux doesn't mean you have to do the same. But you can try. Oops. What's that? Oh no, the flux is destroying my markings. That's not too good. I will need a little help out there, but first let's get these pads clean. Yeah, looks clean enough to me. That doesn't look so bad to begin with. But now it looks better. And yeah, I'm using actually my iPad now as a kind of workstation. As I said, I will give you a view of it in the end. This is actually much better, much better. Come on. Then working with, can you guess what that is? Yeah, with a magnifying glass. Okay, I have my cheat sheet here, and yes, I totally butchered that. Sorry. Okay, so I thought this time for the actual soldering, I put just a wee bit of solder on a pad. This might be even too much. Really just a wee bit. And then I take an SMD LED, put some more of the good stuff on here, and tack it on the one side. Yeah. Let's leave it at that for the moment. And then we come to, sorry, to the next pad. Where are you? There are you. Just tin it a wee bit. Oh, that's better. And take, in this case, a green LED. Same game, some flux. And some heat. And just tack it there. Oh. It does seem to stay in place. That's a good thing, I guess. Okay, next one. A wee bit of solder. Wee bit of flux. And these, I don't know if you can see that, they have a nice marking on the bottom. Yeah, that turned out to be a problem for me at my first attempt. That I mixed up polarities and heat and tack and good. So, now all we have to do is to solder the other side of the pins. And yeah, this setup is kind of an improvement, but not really. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong pad. This is the right pad. You. This goes much faster and easier. You. I mean, to say that I actually see what I'm doing would be a grave lie. I mean, yeah, you can see where I am with the soldering iron, but yeah, I'm actually unsure if I should redo the sides where it just tagged, but yeah, I'll try. Just to be on the safe side. Actually, I think that I'm not positioning them too good on the pads. I think that was my first one. There was enough truth there, solder there already. And yeah, I had a cheat sheet on the side the whole time. Yeah, with the bottom markings and how I wanted to place them on the board, and yeah, you see, it's not a microscope, it's an iPad with a tailor lens in front of it. Yeah, I did this board before. I don't know, yeah, card link, and I butchered it, and I think I also cooked off the LEDs a little bit, so I redid it, and now after cleaning it up with some alcohol, it doesn't look too bad. Okay. There's a little blob, but all in all, yeah. And the video quality of my setup is also not optimal. I hope I have no shorts here. We will see. Yeah, all in all, it was not too bad. I mean, the picture quality was abysmal. I mean, I saw what I did, but yeah, it was kind of better than using a magnifying glass, which I tried the first time. But yeah, the result is better, but I guess that's more result of better soldering technique and practice than, yeah, a result of the setup. It kind of is. I mean, I learned here working on a monitor which is kind of from the optical axis and position decoupled from the place where I'm actually soldering. Yeah, down here. Works for me. That's not a given. That's not a given. Some people don't like that. Looking somewhere on the monitor while doing somewhere at another place. Obviously, my brain can handle this, and that's good. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated about the next iteration of my SMD soldering solution. Bye.